but this really jumps in value because this as a whole was giving you about 10 cents, and then you remove this, you get about 3.5 cents for this, and you get another 27 cents for this. So you almost tripled your value just by, well, you actually did triple your value just by removing it, because now selling them separately you're getting about 30 cents, 30.5 cents. So definitely worth at least removing the board and the drive. So let's go to the next step of actually opening this guy up and selling the parts separately. The aluminum, the platters, maybe any copper, whatnot we find in there.
Hello.
Okay, so let's get this top out. I think I got this. Well, there's one more screw somewhere. It's probably hidden in here somewhere. And there you go. We found the hidden screw. There you go. So we got a hunk of aluminum. There you go. There's even some nice gold in here, some gold tips. I'll show you guys shortly.